Good morning, dear student. Today I will discuss to you class 12th biology unit 7 according to new revised syllabus of CBSE. Unit 7, that means we are studying in this unit two chapter 5th principle of inheritance and variation, and chapter 6 molecular basis of inheritance. Chapter 5th, the principle of inheritance and variations. First of all, we discussed Mendel experiment and law of inheritance. Gregor John Mendel played the most remarkable role in establishing the principle of heredity. Mendel performed his breeding experiment on the garden pea, that's botanical name Pisum sativum. For 9 years, Mendel studied the inheritance of 7 different pair of contrasting characters in pea plant. These characters are mentioned in following table. That means you studied the before class. Inheritance of one gene, that means Mendel's monohybrid class. In this classical monohybrid class, Mendel took two pure line homozygous plant and cross pollinated them on of the plant with tall capital T and other was dwarf small t. In F1 generation, he obtained all tall plant. F1, F means filial, filial means santati. Mendel experiment according this chart showing F1 generation, that means all characters will dominate. Mendel was highly surprised with result of F1 generation. The generation did not contain any dot plant. Then carried out selfing of F1 plant is that selecting male and female plant from the same generation and using the parent developing next F2 generation. In selfing F1 generation to obtain showing F2 generations, Mendel's got 787 tall plants and 277 dwarf plants out of total of 1064 plants in F2 generation. Thus a ratio of 2.84, that means 3.1 ratio. It is the absolute figure between tall and dwarf plant was obtained the result of various monohybrid class that Mendel performed have the following tables. In case of Mendel's got F2 generation ratio 3:1. That means dominant and recessive character will shown. Mendel's first law, that means Mendel's law of dominance. Each genetic character is governed by the pair of discrete unit. This unit is called factor. Today such factors are called alleles. Factors are found in pair. Each pair govern a different characters. That pair are alleles. Alleles of a pair influence the same characters that express the factors, dominant factors and recessive factors. Mendel's law of segregation, that means purity of gamete. It states that two factor alleles of character remains in the form of pair During gamete formation, they get separated, segregated from each other. When two factor alleles of trait are heterozygous condition, then they do not contain blend each other. They remain in their pure form. At the same time of gametogenesis, gamete formation, they segregate and separate pass to their respective gametes in their pure form. In this way, gamete receive only one factor, that means allele, for each other. This suggests to the more homozygous parent produce all gamete are they similar, but heterozygous individuals have two types of gamete, each having one alleles factors of equal portion. Mendel's law of segregation. In this law, two factors alleles of character remain in the form of pair during gamete formation. They get separated, segregated from each other. When two factors alleles of trait are in heterozygous condition, they do not contaminate, blend each other. They remain in their pure form. At the time of gametogenesis, that means the formation of gamete, the segregate, that means separate, that means we obtain separate and form their respective gamete in their pure form. In this way, a gamete receives only one factor allele for each character. This suggests that a homozygous parent produce all gamete that are similar, but heterozygous individuals produce two types of gamete, each having one alleles and one factors of in equal proportion. And we next discussed binomial expression of monohybrid ratio. In F2 hybrid ratio, genotype is 1 ratio 2 ratio 1 or 1 upon 4 ratio 2 upon 4 ratio 1 upon 4 for capital T and capital T small t and small t. This can be mathematically condensable to form the binomial expression ax plus by by 2, that is suggested to gamete bearing gene, that means capital T and small t occurs equally. Quantity is that of expanded form of the expression, that expressions are given below. 1 upon 2t plus 1 upon 2t square whole square is equal to 1 upon 2t plus 1 upon 2t into 1 upon 2t plus 1 upon 2t is equal to 1 upon 4tt plus 1 upon 2 capital T small t 1 upon 4 small t small t. Thank you.